Hello everyone. Hello children. Can you see the pointer? This orange pointer. Okay. This orange pointer will help you to read what I am reading. Okay. And to see the words which I am reading now. So let's start. Now today I will explain the poem There is the Key of the Kingdom. Unit 3. Refer from the Bal Bharati Standard 3. Okay. So there is the key of the kingdom. So let's start with the poem. The first line. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. In that city there is a town. In that town there is a street. In that street there is a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there is a room. In that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket. In that basket there are some flowers. Okay. So first stanza of the poem starts from the kingdom and ends with the flowers. Now in the second stanza it's reverse. It's starting with flowers and ending with the kingdom. So let us read the stanza 2. Flowers in the basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the yard, yard in the lane, lane in the street, street in the town, town in the city, city in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. So here's the key. So if I give you the key of the cupboard, what you'll do? You'll open the cupboard. You will see the many compartments in that cupboard. Okay, made for clothes, for our materials. Okay, different drawers are there. So in that things also we keep something. Means it's going from bigger to smaller and smaller to bigger. If we close and if we open. So by this key we will open and see the kingdom, what's there in the kingdom. And we will also close. In the next stanza it's closing stanza. So in that we will again move from flowers and again to the kingdom. So let's see how this goes. So we have the next exercise. I will only explain few questions which are important to you, and rest other I will give you workbook and notebook. So there is the key to kingdom. So this is the key to the kingdom. So we'll open the door of the kingdom and we'll go into the kingdom. And let's see from where we go to what. So next we will move from kingdom to flowers. So the first step, it's in reverse. Means we can go from lane to kingdom also and kingdom to lane also. What is this kingdom? What is the city? What is the town? What's this street? And what's the lane? We will see in the picture format. Okay. But we will see now here. So from kingdom to city, you have to remember these points. Okay. These words: kingdom, city, town, street, lane. Okay. So this is the kingdom. This is in photo format, but it's only the picture to explain you. Okay. The kingdom where the king rules, where we live. Okay, many people live. It's called kingdom. So we have got the key of the ancient kingdom and we are visiting it. So kingdom means there are many peoples, many houses, palaces and everything, streets, lanes and everything, and whole this is called the kingdom. So we are opening the door and we are visiting the kingdom. Then first what we will see now. When we go in the kingdom, we will go to the city, town, These are two pictures, but we can see there is similarity, but there is also very much different. Okay, there is very much difference between these two. City means what? Example, Mumbai. Mumbai is a city. And town we can call the small place, small areas, than not the city but small areas, okay, where we live, where we can see rural also and city also, culture mixed together, the town. And the city, it's the buildings, you can see the modern streets, okay, everything is modern form. But here there is a mixed rural area and city life area is mixed in the town. So next, street. Okay, even we visit the city, you have option. In that kingdom there is option, you can go to the city, from the city you can visit the town also, okay, like Mumbai is a city, and there are small town near the city like Usarli area, okay, it's like a town, okay. So we can go from the city to a town also, or we can directly go, okay. I have just explained the difference. So you have to just remember the words kingdom, city, and city to town. Now from town we will go to the street. Street means road. On the road, we are walking on the road now. So next is the lane. Okay, we are walking on the main road, and from that we are seeing the small roads dividing. Okay, there are many roads dividing the main road. Yes. So we have also gone to the bigger road to small road. So street is little big and lane is little small. So now we have visited the lane. Now after the lane there is a yard, then there is a house. So we will first visit the yard and then house. So now we are in the lane. So here we were, okay. Now yard. This is the house. And yard means the area in front or behind the house. It's called the yard. And this is the house. So from the street we have gone to the lane, small streets, small roads, and from them we have seen the house and we have seen the yard. So before reaching to the house, we are reaching the yard. Okay, here the yard. So lane, yard, and then we are visiting the house. So climb up now. We will see the next. So we have seen the house. Okay, we have opened the door. Now we are going to the room. So next is the step: house, room, bed, basket, flowers. So in this way we will see the flowers. So here we were, okay. Now house. Next is a room. Now we are seeing the room. Okay, in the house is made up of small rooms, big rooms, okay. Some are small, some are big, okay. So from that one, in the one room we are, and we are seeing the room, we are in that room. So we have seen the bed. So we are where we are now, we are in bedroom. So we have seen the bed. Now we have seen the bed, but what you have seen? That small basket of flowers. So basket of flowers we have seen here on the table in the bedroom, okay. Now we will go in reverse, the house and again yard and again lane, okay. So how it will go? So again the poem. Now we have whatever I have shown the pictures, it will all related to the first stanza. Now we will see the second. It's very simple. Now we have seen the kingdom, city, town, street, lane, yard, house, room, bed, basket, flowers. Now we will go in reverse. Flowers, basket, bed, room, house, yard, lane, street, town, city, and then the kingdom. So here, now we are going in opposite direction. Now we have seen the flowers, okay. Now flowers, if you want to take, you can take, okay. So flowers, basket, flowers are in the basket, so it's basket flower. We are in the bedroom, okay. Which room? Bedroom. Then the house, we are in the house. Then we are in house, and again we are coming into the yard. As we are going back, now we are closing, okay. So we will go to the lane, small lane, the small road, then the street. We come to the big road, street. Then we are in the town. Now we have to move to the city and then the kingdom. Okay. So then the kingdom. Okay. Now here I have explained the poem in short. Okay. So list all the things mentioned in the poem in two ways. So where the from smallest to the biggest. Okay. Sorry, here where is not there. Okay. The from the smallest to the biggest. So we'll go from the smallest to the biggest. And then biggest to the smallest. So biggest was smallest. First one is smallest to the biggest. So first is the smallest. Flowers. Flower smallest. Okay. Basket. Bed. Room. House. Yard. Lane. Street. Town. City. Kingdom. Now kingdom is the biggest. Flowers are the smallest. Okay. Have you got? Okay, example take. You are going somewhere. Your hometown. Or you are moving somewhere to the city. Or you are visiting someone's house. So what you do? You will start from the bag. Your bag. Then you will go from the house. Then street. Then okay. Then big street. Okay. It goes on. And then you will reach the house. Their house. And again their rooms. Okay. In this way it flows. So which is the smallest and which is the biggest? Flowers are smallest and kingdom is biggest. So biggest to the smallest. Now first is kingdom given in the workbook. Then city, town, street, lane, yard, house, room, bed, basket, then flowers. So got it? Kingdom to flowers. Biggest to smallest. So we will put this chain in order. Okay. Shirt, car, man, pocket, highway, pen. So they have given the random names of the object, of the person, of something. Okay. Here also seeds, container, house, kitchen, dried chili, letter, word, bookshop, story, storybook, paragraph, sentence. So now we'll see the answers. First we will see from smallest to biggest. I have made. We can go from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. As they have said, as they have already given, you may start from the smallest or the biggest. So we can start from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. It's on you. Okay. In every sense the answer is correct. So let's see first. So I have given all three answers at a time, but we will see one by one. So first, shirt, car, man, pocket, highway, pen. So a man in house. Okay, what he will do? What he will do the first? What the man will do? He will pick up the pen first. So pen. Pen. Where is the pen? Pen is short. Shirt. Pen. Okay. Pen. Where is the pen? Pen is in the pocket. Pocket. Where is the pocket? It's on the shirt. Means shirt has the pocket. Okay. Your shirt too has the pocket. Okay. In that there is a pen. So shirt. Then who wears the shirt here? There is given already. Man. Here nothing they have written. Only they have written the man. So who is wearing the shirt? Man. So shirt is worn by man. So here man. Then what the man is doing? Now next thing you can see here. Already they have given. We have to pick the words and we have to arrange it. So man. Then there is a car. So man is going in the car. So he is sitting. The man is sitting. He is sitting in the car. and then the car is on the highway. So car is moving. He has started the car and the car is going on the highway from the street and then lane. They have not given, so we will not write here. They have given only the highway, so we will write the highway. Okay. So this is the answer of the first question. Now next, seeds, dried chili, container, kitchen and house. This is also from smallest to biggest. Seeds. Seeds means what you the plants have the seeds. Okay, they are very small. So dried chili. Have you seen the chili? Yes, chili has the seeds. Okay, from that we can plant the chili plant also. So seeds are the smallest. So smallest to biggest, right? So smallest is the seeds. Then dried chili, because seeds are in the dried chili. Where the chili are stored? They are stored in the container. Where is the container? Container is in the kitchen. They have given already, so you have to pick and you have to arrange by the way. Then kitchen. Kitchen is a house. So it's in the house. So bedroom, kitchen, hall, drawing room, everything that is the house. Okay, there are the rooms in the house. So kitchen and house, which will compare the biggest? House, and smallest the kitchen. In this way it goes. Okay, I hope you are not getting confused. If you have some if you are not understood, you can ask me again. Okay, so then next question, letter, word, bookshop, story, storybook, paragraph, sentence. Now listen this very carefully, because we are taking this example again to show in the picture format. So listen this. Okay, and this is, I hope this is the hard one. So I have given this question in the form of images, photos. Okay, I have explained this, but now I will explain by words. Okay, so first is letter, word, bookshop, story, storybook, paragraph, sentence. So here bookshop, letter. So bookshop, where is the bookshop? It's a big. Okay, it's a big. So we are going from biggest to smallest. Here we have done the reverse thing. See, I have given in the red mark. Okay, red words. Okay, so bookshop, storybook, then bookshop is the big. Okay, we are going in the bookshop. There will find the storybook, and when we will open the book, you will find many stories there are. Okay, story, pick one story. From that we will see many paragraphs. Paragraphs are made up of one sentences. Many sentences makes the paragraph. So sentences are made by words. Okay, they are made by words. So put the following chains in the proper order. This is the one sentence. So there are many words. Put is the word, the is the word, following is the word. Okay, see my orange pointer. Okay, this pointer. See, chains, word, in, word, the, word, proper, word, order, word. Means these are the words, and these all words are making a sentence. So sentence is made by word. So word is a small and sentence is big. So word, and word is made up of letter. Put, P is letter, U letter, T letter, and PUT put makes a word. So in this way, word to letter. So bookshop, storybook, story, paragraph, sentence, word, letter. Biggest to smallest. Rest two examples. Tail, hair, mountain, cave, beer. Grain of corn, field, plant, stalk, ear of corn. Okay, this is the example I will explain. So these two also, D and E. These are also biggest to smallest. Okay, so mountain is a big, then the cave, and in that cave there is a bear. Bear has a tail. Yes, bear has a tail, and on tail there are many hair. Okay, grain of corn, field, plant, stalk, ear of corn. So answer, field. You can see field. Then you can see many plant. Okay, so plant. Then stalk. Stalk means what? On that plant, that corn has the leaves with, okay, so the stalk. Then ear of corn, okay, you can see ear of corn, and then grain of corn. So okay, ear of corn means the corn, middle one, and then grain of corn. So this example I have told you before, we will see this in detail. So this is the example: letter, word, bookshop, story, storybook, paragraph, sentence. But before going to this, let's see what the words are. Okay, words in the image format. So first is letter. C. C is a letter. From C, corn. In the nursery section, are you remembering that A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog? In this way, letter, then word. Okay, I have taken similar. I have picked the similar. So first is letter, then there is a word. Now here it's bookshop. I have gone in this order. Okay, for explaining each word in image format. So bookshop. You can see the bookshop. Children are going to in the bookshop. Children are going in the bookshop. Okay. So this, what's this? Then this is a story. See, you can see here the story. So this is a story, the corn and health. It's an example. Don't take it in like it's a serious one. Okay. It's not the story, but just it is the example. Next is storybook. So it's a storybook. It's an example. Okay. There are many books in the bookshop. So one of them it is. Here is given storybook. So I have picked this, as it's relating to the corn more as general knowledge. So here it is. So paragraph. Then it's come the paragraph. In the storybook you can see the paragraph also. Means here it's going in order, not going in the biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest. But I am showing the pictures what the word means. So next is paragraph. So you can see this is called paragraph. Here are 3 paragraphs. First is from whole grain corn is as healthy as any cereal grain. So antioxidants. Till here it's 1 second, and this is 3rd paragraph. And sentence. Can you see full stop? Many full stop here. Okay, but you can, here in the second stanza there is 2 full stop. See, corn is typical yellow but comes in a variety of other colors. Sorry, it's wrong here. Such as red, orange, purple, blue, white and black. So here the full stop. Corn contains a fair amount of fiber. Here full stop. So 2 full stop. And here corn may contain a fair amount of several vitamins and minerals. The full stop. Notably the amount is highly variable depending on the corn type. Here next full stop. So there are 2 sentences and they are making the paragraphs and 3 paragraph. Okay. Now corn is typically yellow but comes in variety of other colors. See, here it's wrong, here it's correct. Okay. Colors such as red, orange, purple, blue, white and black. So full stop only 1. So makes the sentence. Okay. Here also in the question there are 2 full stops. So 2 sentence. Remember the full stop. So next we will see the order. Okay, now we will see the order. So we will see from smallest to biggest. And in example you have seen first bookshop. Okay, but now we will see from smallest to biggest. Letter. So you are reading only letter. Letter makes word corn. C for corn. In that way letter makes the word. Any word. Now I have just given the example. I can also put here letter. I can also put here book or shop here. Okay, these all are words. So single are letters and whole makes the word. Next sentence. Full stop again. Only 1 full stop. So 1 sentence. Okay. This makes a sentence. Many words come of other colors. Okay. Many words comes and makes the sentence. So many sentences makes the paragraph. So small, now W, only W is a letter and the whole word. Then from whole to antioxidants, sentence, and whole to type. Here type. Okay, makes the paragraph. Now paragraphs, many paragraphs with the title, many. See, this line shows the continuity, okay? Many paragraphs makes the story and the corn and the health. Means I have given the heading as an example, okay? It's a only example. So you can find this many stories in the storybook. Also you can see many lessons, poems, combine the textbook. Okay, your textbook, standard 3, okay? So that is the book. So where you will get this book? You will get in the bookstore or bookshop. So you have to go visit bookstore and bookshop for the story. So in this way I have explained you there is the key of the kingdom with exercise. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you so